welcome back to Talk Chasers. Hello and welcome back to Talk Chasers. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my floppy hair. Today we are doing what I said I was going to do probably about 3 months ago, and that is document the Liberty Walk build of the new GT86 at the Legends from ColourKraft. So that is what we're here to do today. Without further ado, I'm going to introduce you to the guys and film the first part, which is going to be installing the exhaust on the GT86. If you're not already part of Tour Nation, hit the little subscribe button down below. Let's bloody do this. Also, very importantly, follow ColourKraft because those are the lads that do all the work and they are just the greatest. So, let's head inside, show you and meet the lads and all sorts. David! Out of the two, David's the shy one. And as you can tell, Tim's not the shy one. David, what noise does a dog make?
I'm not doing this on camera.
It's interesting. Just woof. Come here, come on. Come
woof,
here. David,
woof, woof.
Tim needs to be in it as well.
Come on.
So you know what noise does make? What about a cat?
Meow.
Okay. What about a donkey?
What are we doing this for?
Come on!
Because you're going to put me on social media.
Come here, quick!
Well, you made me look a stupid idiot, wouldn't you? So?
What about a whale?
I have no clue.
So as you can see, the GT86 is posted up on the ramp, and we are going to start taking off a few bits to crack on with the rest of the build. So this video will include just the exhaust, and actually we're going to take off the rear bumper only because it's got to come off anyway, and we thought it would be quite cool for you to see the rear box and the exhaust and stuff in the back. What we will do before as well is give you a cheeky little start up so you can hear what it sounds like from stock, and then after we fit the exhaust, we'll do that as well.
Let's see if she'll go.
Yeah, let's see if she's a little sturdy upper.
Show her a little start.
Oh,
hey,
I'll see you later, mate.
Let's see what she goes like. Sounds like standard, shall we?
Is it on?
Pretty pants, brother.
Pretty pants, brother. Now, all you can actually hear is the carbon intake. That's all you can hear. So this has already been fitted with the Pipercross V1 and armour intake, which is really nice. This is all the carbon up here. So that's really nice in there. Focus, 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 focus. Nice. So unfortunately, exhaust-wise and sound-wise, that's all you can hear from this motor at this moment. So, without further ado, let's crack on, me old Mackie!
I've been dreaming. 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 I've been dreaming.
So what's really important about this GT86 build is that we keep it not legal, because the other Liberty Walk cars are legal as well, but more legal than some Liberty Walk cars. So obviously the Lamborghini had a questionable exhaust, whether it was legal or not, but it still had an MOT, so that was good. So the exhaust that we're installing today is a Remus exhaust. Obviously from all the Motec performance videos that you see, we've installed a lot of Remus. It's a really good sounding system, cat back. Obviously you got the rear box, which is that baby, and then the centre pipe from cat back.
I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming. I've been dreaming.
What was it?
Hi! Can't go camera shot.
You're just a bloody...
I'm not very good on the face for radio.
He's terrible.
Look at me top. My top's. Yeah, I've got my pyjama shorts
You're
on.
only going to get your f***ing head in there.
Pyjama shorts.
You're only going to put his head in there, aren't you?
Yeah.
Maybe his stupid long legs.
No, because them shorts are okay. Hi guys, today we're here at ColourKraft Just going to put the Remus exhaust onto that. What's he laughing at? Thank you, streak of piss.
Hi guys.
Hi guys!
Hiya!
Today we're here at ColourKraft where me and Dave, look, Super Spindle. This is even more juicy. So juicy.
As we can see, this is pretty limiting. So this is your cap. Goes back into, is that a res box?
What?
Is that a resonator?
Yeah, I guess it must be.
So you've got one resonator there.
That little...
And then you've got another resonator just down there. So it is a really restricted system.
But hopefully we're going to make it unrestricted and rather noisy and pop and bangy.
Hey,
hopefully.
don't you know?
I do.
I think we should take some bolts off and pull it off.
Pull what off?
Right, so without further ado, let's cut into a bit of cinema and take the other exhaust off and then put the other one on.
What we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
What's that, mate?
It's got a bit of rust on her!
Hey?
She's a dirty rusty! Hi! Your heart, give me!
Hey, you want sports mixture?
Well, they're different to the other ones, so I like looking at
Hey, you want sports mixture?
it. Go on then.
You want sports mixture?
Give me it.
I said you want sports
Yeah, I want
mixture.
sports mixture.
There you go.
Thank you.
So,
Nearly there now.
nearly there. Just tighten up the last two bolts on the old gas gittery. But these tailpipes are so much better than the old ones. You can at least get a fist in these ones. So yeah, good tailpipers. That's a good old, I reckon I get 2 hands in there.
Let's hear it!
Let's hear it. Hell yeah! Fucking hell yeah! Sorry.
So the exhaust is on. As you can hear, the lads are excited about hearing it for the first time. And I think we should just start it up straight away, the old muckers.
Should we start it?
Shut up, come here. Right, so the exhaust is on. What did I say?
The exhaust
The exhaust is on. What do you think it's going to sound like?
I like to think it's going to sound a lot better.
What do you think it's going to sound like?
a lot better.
But I think it's going to sound the best, so let's start the thing.
Remus do a really good job of making really quiet exhaust systems louder than they really should be. So I think it's going to sound really good.
I think it'll sound nice. I think it'll have a nice little overrun burble.
Yeah.
Which will be nice.
A bit of rasp, do you reckon?
Don't want it too loud on load, obviously, because you've got to drive the thing, but I'd like to hear a bit of a bomb on overrun.
A bit of a what, mate?
A little burble, a bit of a burble.
Cool.
Nice little burble.
Nice little
Nice tone.
burble. I'll give it a little
Fantastic.
Oh, little pop.
It's actually about 50,000 degrees in here, so
Yeah.
that's by Tim's appearance.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, well, that was hard work for you, wasn't it?
Extremely hard work.
It does sound a lot better than what it does stock, right?
It will sound better under load. They never sound the same when you're revving them. You need to drive it, get the exhaust on the right.
Imagine a big dirt burnout in that. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the ColourKraft boys on YouTube, also Instagram and all that stuff, and Facebook. Follow them there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can get your t-shirts from TalkChaser.com. And I will see you in the next video.
Goodbye.
So much from you.
Well, you just need to. Oh. You could just be yourself. You know how you are on my Snapchat
As soon as
stories.
the camera turns around to me,
Dave, you did that little look then. You went like that. Go on, just act natural.
Alright.
Say something for the camera.
Alright.
Anyway. Right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.